Go!
God will see
I don't want to see you again.
There is God.
Divorced. Go! Go!
I'm angry.
We must let
If I met you there, oh.
1 week later.
Good viewers, my name is Femi and I report from Benin. One Miss Itoa Omorodion don't win jackpot of $150 million US. Yeah! The government do one for you.
Yes.
Go do one for everybody.
Exactly.
Hello? I know they call you make we for settle.
Okay.
I want let you know say I get belle for you.
What is that?
And this belle so I know they comot am because my family we know they carry spoil belle. You know where to find me.
Uncle, buy me something.
Yuki, I don't have money. I've told you before.
Even one thing you don't have.
Yuki, listen, oh, see, oh, I'm not your father, oh.
But you're my father neighbor now. Buy me something. Buy me something. Oh.
Yuki, I don't have money.
And we shall see.
Let's go. Buy me something, buy me something. See, don't disturb me, buy me something again.
Mama. Solo. How far now?
Yeah, well done.
Long time, oh.
Well done.
How you been now?
I do.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Smart girl. So, long time, oh. Why you not tell us say you don't born now?
But who? God forbid, oh. And my neighbor picking up my picking.
How about you are smart?
Thank you.
For that, I want to give you money.
Now, man, you be. Correct, man.
This is your neighbor born, oh. So this is 3,000 naira.
Thank
I like
you.
to know that smart, okay? Papa, no wala now.
I say my uncle big now.
Papa, you not be small pikin now. You not go change. I give to mama later now.
Yuki.
Uncle.
Yuki.
Uncle.
Yuki, if they give you money at home, who do you give it to?
Give it to my dad.
Now your daddy is not here. Who will you give it to?
My dad.
Are you not supposed to give it to me? Am I not your uncle?
You said that you are not my father, so I will not give you.
Leave that aspect. I'm your uncle. Give me this money.
I should give you this money so that you use it to carry women. Do that is irresponsible. Uncle, let me remind you. You are not my father and you can never be my father. Even if you decide to marry today, you can never give birth to a big baby like me. Excuse me.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Yeah!